Hello, my name is Sarah Perlis, and this is my EPSY introduction video. I am a recent graduate from the University of Georgia's middle grades education program. I have my content areas are math and social studies. I am working on my master's as a part of the Double Dogs program. In the fall, I will be teaching sixth grade math at Peachtree Charter Middle School in Dunwoody, Georgia, in DeKalb County. So because I've not officially started my time in the classroom as a full-time teacher, I'm not exactly sure that I have any professional insight to give to my fellow graduate classmates. But I did do my student teaching in a classroom that was mixed advanced gifted. So that was a very interesting experience that I got to have. So again, because I was in a gifted advanced classroom, my student teaching, I remember my mentor teacher always saying, "You're gifted, and I expect way more from you guys than I do from the other classes," as it pertained to behavior. And I always remember this sort of bothered me because while they were more academically advanced, it didn't necessarily have implications for their behavior. And I think that expectations are really important, especially for advanced or gifted children, but I think that a lot of adults maybe had a lot of unrealistic expectations when it came to behavior, because an 11-year-old, no matter what their level of talent is going to act like an 11-year-old from time to time. So that was something that I thought that I should mention in this introduction.